Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a New Year celebrations animation using PixFirst. But it's super easy, beginner friendly, and you can do it in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, just open PixFirst. You can use PixFirst either on the website or through the mobile app like this. Both work just fine. And after that, just log into your account. And don't worry about the credits because PixFirst provides daily free credit, so you can try this feature without paying anything. And once you're logged in, just go to template menu, this one, or template sections. In here you will find many animations templates that you can use. Just go to New Year 2026 menu, this one, and then in here you will see the New Year template that you can use. This template, and then next just simply tap on welcome 2026, this one, this effect, just tap on it. Like this template is perfect for New Year celebrations animations. And then next tap on use template, and then just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can use a selfie, a portrait, or any photo that you like, and make sure the face is clear for the best result. For example, I will choose this one, and then after that, just simply tap on create. It will take 30 credits. Just tap on it, and then go back and go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, your normal photo has now been transformed into a New Year celebrations animations with this cool effect. And okay, next, if you like it, you can just download it, and then you can also just share it on your social media to celebrate the New Year in fun and creative way. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.